cut off the excess. There we go. All right, so we've got that. Now it's time to drill out for the door handle and the door latch. So what I like to do is take a piece of this cardboard with the door king there and make a makeshift drop cloth. So there's our makeshift drop cloth. Makeshift drop cloth. You're going to take this box called the Quick Fit Installation Kit, open that up, and inside we're going to have, this is a door template. This is what you will use to pre-drill the holes for the door latch. Notice there's a little rounded part there. That rounded part goes in the cutout right there. And you can only put this on one way. So this piece snaps on just like so. That is our template. Now, when you're doing this template, you'll notice exterior, that means this piece goes outside, and then you'll see the words drill. Some of them are upside down. You only drill a hole where you can read the word drill. So it's one at the top, and then you drill the bottom hole of the next two, the bottom hole of the next two, and then the very bottom hole. So you're going to do 4 on each side. You take a 1/8 inch drill bit and drill pilot holes. And remember, only drill out where you can read the word drill. Don't get all crazy and go, well, I can read that upside down. It doesn't matter. Don't drill the one that's upside down. So drill, 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 and drill. Once you've got 8 holes in there, you're going to pull this template off and it'll look something like that. 4 holes on each side, and they should line up with each other. If they don't line up with each other, you've got a problem. Now, the next part in that box is this 3/4 inch spade bit.